YOFIDRA 220-bar brushless high-pressure car washer gun 3-gear electric cordless washer. Compatible with Makita 18 volts battery. Take your car and outdoor cleaning routine to the next level with the YOFIDRA 220-bar brushless high-pressure washer gun. Built for performance and portability, this power washer delivers up to 220 bar of powerful water pressure. Ideal for everything from cars and bikes to patios, fences, and garden furniture. With 3 adjustable pressure modes, it's the perfect all-in-one tool for home, auto, and garden use. Battery Makita 18 volts battery compatible. Fully compatible with Makita 18 volts lithium-ion batteries, battery not included. No cords, no fuel, just plug and spray anywhere, anytime. Ideal for mobile use, outdoor cleaning, or areas without electrical outlets. Collision 220 bar max pressure, extreme cleaning power. True 220 bar, 3200 psi, output using advanced brushless motor technology. More efficient, quieter, and longer lasting than traditional brushed motors. Easily blasts away mud, grease, sand, mold, and stubborn stains. Gear 3-gear pressure control modes. Choose between low, medium, or high pressure depending on the task. Perfectly tailored for oncoming car detailing, bike and motorcycle cleaning, chair patio and furniture washing, window rinsing, herb garden watering, droplet self-priming system and foam cannon. Use with water sources like buckets, tanks, lakes, or bottles thanks to the self-suction hose and built-in filter. Includes a foam bottle to apply detergent or soap easily for deep cleaning. Cyclone adjustable multi-mode nozzle. Switch between jet spray, fan spray, and mist with a simple twist.